Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be sowing these Phlox Drummondi, half-hardy annual. Sow seeds on the surface of a good free draining seed compost. Do not cover the seeds. Place in a propagator. 18 to 20. Takes 10 to 21 days. Transplant when large enough into 7.5 3-inch pots. Can also be grown outdoors where they are to flower. So we'll get some of these sown, shall we? I'm using a peat-based compost. It's got a little bit of vermiculite, perlite mixed in by mistake. That's not the end of the world. What I tend to do, fill it up like so, and just get a piece of wood. What I do then is just tap it down, get nice and level. Then all I'll do with this is just sow them on the top and water them in, basically. It's not hard. They're quite big seeds, these. You should be able to see them all right. There's some that left over from, I don't know, last year or the year before, so hopefully they'll be okay. See them there? Just tap your hand, just get them to knock off like so. Plenty in there. Get the rest sown, because I like these. That's them sown. So yeah, all I do then is give them a little water from the top and round into my tray. Into my tray like so. Just top it with water. And once they are all soaked right through, get the lid on, and then we shall quick turn round. We shall put them under here until they've germinated. We've got 3 heat mats under here, plus 3 double LED batten lights. So yeah, if you've got any questions on how to grow them, don't hesitate to ask folk. If you like the videos, please subscribe, and always, happy sowing, happy growing. Say hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.